Good morning, YouTube. Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Alpharetta, Georgia today. We've got a repeat customer here that we're doing basically their basement. We've got one little bedroom here, little transition area here, then a living area out here, and then the stairs. Carpet does have some spotting on it, as you can see. But not too bad a shape. Hey guys, it's 12:06. Just wrapped up this 4-area job here in Alpharetta. Everything came out really well. Customer was very pleased as usual. Like I said, it's a repeat customer. Those are the best kind. They're consistent and reliable. And they refer. So we're a couple spots, if you recall, over here in this area, big one right there. Everything came out. Again, no upsells, no per spot fees. It's a flat rate per room. 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Again, that's omgfloorcare.com. Thanks for watching. Be kind. Take care.